everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up auto promo codes for a Guardian to be able to apply to a booking automatically when creating bookings in the parent portal. To set up an auto promo code, you need to ensure that you have the promo code setting enabled. And you can do this by clicking on your service menu and under configuration, click on settings. You're then going to click on the finance tab and ensure that the promo code states yes. You're then going to move over to the discount tab by clicking on your service menu and under general, click on details, and then you're going to click on the service discounts tab. You're going to click here to add a new discount. Enter in the date effective to and from. So this means the discount will be available for the dates, the bookings within this date range. Select your daily discount type, whether it's dollar value or percentage. Select your discount category and your days, just like you would normally on a discount. You will then tick your promo code, and you will notice you will see an auto apply promo code in the parent portal. So when you tick this option, it then provides you a minimum and a maximum amount of bookings. So this is going to determine how many bookings the Guardian must book to be eligible for the auto promo code. So you may just add in that they must create a minimum of 10 bookings and they're going to get a promotional discount. It may be that you don't need a minimum amount of bookings, but they can only add in a maximum of 50 bookings. Or it may be simply a number between, so a minimum of 10 and a maximum value of 50. So outside those values, the auto promo code will not apply to those bookings in the parent portal. The auto promo code is valid for both casual and recurring bookings. And when you enter in the promo code will not be able to be entered manually into the parent portal. So this will only be a auto promo code only. You would select the availability for that promo code, so when this promo code is valid to and from, and then you can select the rooms, whether it's a single or more than one room or simply all rooms. I'm going to move over to the parent portal now to show you what it looks like when that auto promo code has been applied. So for this example, I have set the auto promo code as a minimum of 1 booking, just for the example purposes. So you can see I've created 1 casual booking, and on my booking total on the right hand side, it has auto applied a discount. The Guardian may delete this discount if they wish not to use this. However, if they then change their mind and would like the promo code to be added back in, they need to complete the process from the start and add in the bookings again. It does highlight to the Guardian that any booking with this auto promo code cannot be cancelled. So if they do want to have the flexibility of cancelling bookings, if the service has the cancel booking setting enabled, they will need to remove the promo code. If you require any further information on our auto promo code discount feature, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.